Misfits, ToniCraft here. So today I'm going to try someone else's tutorial. I'm going to do NerdECrafter's tutorial on making a pool. I looked through a bunch of her tutorials and I decided to go with what I think is her most viewed tutorial, which is a miniature pool. I watched her video once through already, so I know the basics of it. And I've got clay, resin, I've got some liquid Sculpey, some Sculpey glue, and some already rolled out clay. I also have my oven already preheated so that I can do these quickly. Alright, so what we're going to start with is the pool. Alright, so I'm going to start with what she does, which is she makes a peanut shaped pool. So we're going to do that. Use a little bit of bakeable medium. I've got a transparent Sculpey, which will work perfect. Alright, so let's stick this in the oven for 5 minutes. For my tiled surface around the pool, I actually have a stone pattern, clay pattern here. Alright, so my little pool is out, and then she makes some sort of ground, right? And we're going to use, I'm actually going to use Bake Bond, which is the Sculpey clay glue. Okay, we're going to squash that down. I've actually never done miniatures in polymer clay. This is my first time. As you guys know, I usually do jewelry tutorials and sometimes other things, but for the most part I do jewelry. Go like that, and she says not to worry about how it looks so much because we're going to be putting an edging around the pool. Now we're gonna flip it and make sure everything's nice and flat. Got it. Alright. Throwing it in the oven. Alright, now while we're waiting for that, let's make our little chairs and pots. Takes a rectangle. Clearly I cannot cut a rectangle. And bends it up to make it look like a little chair. Our 4 little chairs, and then we need to make an umbrella. And then she had some little pots for greenery. Okay, so here is my baked pool and ground, I guess. I'm gonna take my bakeable adhesive. I've got some sort of a bronze here. Stick this back in the oven. All right, so we've got everything cooked. Let's do some resin. So I'm using a UV resin clear hard type. Oh no, I've got a big bubble. Yeah, it's stuck in there, all right. I've never seen a big bubble in UV resin. All right, that's okay. I got another bubble, what the heck? UV resin. Alright, so I've got some moss here. Right, so there we have it. A little pool scene. It is! So thank you to NerdECrafter for putting up this tutorial. It was fun, it was different than most things that I do. So I enjoyed playing around with your tutorial and it's really cute. My kids are gonna love this. So anyways, if you don't know who NerdECrafter is, go check out her channel. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed here, please do that. And please like this video if you enjoyed the content. And I will see you next week, all right?